Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of spending your weekends vacuuming and mopping, if pet hair and crumbs keep coming back no matter what you do, or if you just want clean floors without lifting a finger every day, then this review is going to make your day. Today we are looking at the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow Robot Vacuum and Mop. This smart robot brings 22,000 pascals of suction, zero-tangling brushes, a super slim 3.14-inch body, and a self-emptying dock that does almost everything for you. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and see it for yourself. Trust me, this robot makes cleaning feel effortless. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow. The body is only 3.14 inches tall, so it slides easily under beds, sofas, and low furniture where other robots get stuck. It uses FlexiArm technology and a side brush that extends to clean right along edges and into corners. The main brush is the DuoDivide zero-tangling system, so long hair and pet fur do not wrap around it. Suction reaches 22,000 pascals, strong enough for deep carpet cleaning and quick hard floor pickups. For mopping, it has advanced vibrating mops that scrub stubborn stains and lift automatically when it detects carpet. The multifunctional dock is a highlight. It empties the dustbin, washes the mops with hot water, dries them with hot air, refills the water tank, and even adds detergent automatically. Navigation comes from StarSight 2.0, a smart 3D system with cameras and sensors that recognizes over 100 obstacles and maps your home perfectly, even on multiple floors. Battery life gives up to 180 minutes of cleaning, and the app is simple to use with room-by-room scheduling, no-go zones, and live camera view. Setup takes just a few minutes. Place the dock, download the app, and let the robot map your home. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are impressive. The ultra-slim design reaches places most robots cannot. Zero-tangling brushes handle pet hair and long hair without problems. Strong 22,000 pascals suction cleans deeply on every floor type. The self-emptying and self-washing dock means almost zero daily maintenance. Smart navigation rarely gets stuck and handles thresholds well. Battery lasts long enough for big homes. The app is easy and full of useful options. Users say their floors stay cleaner than ever with almost no work. On the con side, the price is premium, so it is a bigger investment. The dock takes up some floor space. The mops are effective, but may need occasional manual cleaning for very sticky messes. Early users note the app can take a short time to learn all the features. These are small points for most people, and the pros clearly win for anyone who wants truly hands-off cleaning. My recommendation? Yes, go for the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow Robot Vacuum and Mop if you want powerful suction, excellent edge cleaning, a self-maintaining dock, and a slim design that cleans where others cannot. It is perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who hates spending time on floors. If these honest smart home reviews are helping you find tools that save time and make life easier, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs easier cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.